In this video, we want to solve this question. It says that if sine beta equals 3 over 5 and cos phi equals 15 over 17, where beta is obtuse and phi is acute, find without using table the value of sine beta plus phi. Now we're going to solve this question using a trigonometric function formula. So the formula is sine beta plus phi equals sine beta cos phi plus cos beta sine phi. So here in the question, they've given us sine beta to be 3 over 5. They've given us cos phi to be 15 over 17. We are now going to find cos beta and sine phi. Now we can also find this one using another fundamental identities of singular functions that says that sine squared beta plus cos square beta is equal to 1. So from here we can make cos square beta subject of the formula, and we will have that cos square beta will be equal to 1. This coming over becomes minus sine square beta. So we already have sine beta, so we can say that this thing is equal to 1 minus sine. Instead of writing this, we can say 3 over 5 all squared. So we'll have that 1 minus 3 squared is 9 over 5 squared is 25. And if we resolve this, we're going to get 16 over 25. So cos square beta is equal to 16 over 25. Therefore, only cos beta will give us plus or minus square root of 16 over 25. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 25 is 5. So plus or minus 5. Now let's check. If we go back to the question, they told us that beta is obtuse. When it is obtuse, it means it is greater than 90. So if we divide this circle into 4 quadrants, we have that in this one is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant, all the functions sine, tan, and cos are all positive here. That's A stands for all. So all are positive. Here in the second quadrant, only sine is positive. Here only tan is positive. Here only cosine is positive. So in the second quadrant, where obtuse falls greater than 90, so from 0 here is 90, so greater than 90 means second quadrant, so it means that cos here is negative. So what we're going to use is the negative part of this. Therefore, cos beta is equal to negative 4 over 5. Having gotten this, we can still go back to that formula similarly to say that sine square beta plus cos square beta equals 1. This time around, we make sine square beta subject of the formula. So sine square beta will be equal to 1 minus cos square beta. So looking at this now, I think we are conversant with the formula now. We can simply now change this to phi, since that is what we're looking for, and this also phi, so since that's what we're looking for, so that it will match, so that sine square phi will now be equal to 1 minus cos phi is what we are given in the question, and cos phi is 15 over 17. So we can say cos phi, which is 15 over 17 all squared. So this thing can be extended and say 1 minus 15 squared is 225 over 17 squared is 289. So if we resolve that, we can have that sine square phi is equal to, if we do all this, we can have 289 minus 225 all over 289. So this minus this is going to give us 64 over 289. So sine square phi is 64 over 289. Therefore, only sine phi will give us square root of 64 over 289. So square root of 64 is 8. Square root of 289 is 17. So now that we've gotten that sine phi is plus or minus 8 over 17. In the question, they told us that phi is acute. So if phi is acute, it means it is less than 90 degrees. If it is less than 90 degrees, it means it falls in the first quadrant. So in the first quadrant, all of the functions or operators are all positive. Therefore, we're going to use the positive of this 8 over 17. So let's write out all the values we've gotten. In the question, we were given that sine beta was 3 over 5. We were able to find sine phi to be equal to 8 over 17. And in the question, they gave us cos beta to be, okay, we found cos beta to be minus 4 over 5. And in the question, they gave us cos phi to be 15 over 17. Now we can substitute into the formula that says that sine beta plus phi is equal to sine beta cos phi plus cos beta sine phi. So we just plug in these values. Sine beta is 3 over 5, so we say 3 over 5. Cos phi is 15 over 17 plus cos beta is minus 4 over 5 times sine phi is 8 over 17. We saw sine beta plus phi is equal to 3 times 5 is 45, 3 times 15 is 45, 5 times 17 is 85, plus times minus is minus, 4 times 8 is 32, 5 times 17 is 85 again. Common, what is common is 85. So sine beta plus phi is equal to, then 85 into 85 is 1 times 45 is 45 minus 85 into 85 is 1 times 32 is 32. So we have 13 over 85. So sine beta plus phi is 13 over 85.